The Pulse exam for FMG students is all set to begin on the PrepLadder app, and this is going to be live from December 3rd to 7th. It is very essential that all of you decide the day and the time slot when you will be appearing for this exam in this window, and this is going to be free for all. But above that, I'm going to now tell you 3 pointers as to why you should not be missing this exam at any cost. Firstly, we've made all the 300 questions from the 19 subjects keeping in mind the recent exam trends, and this mock exam is going to simulate the exam pattern. Secondly, when you'll give the exam, not only are you assessing your knowledge, but this is also essential as a tool for time management. So you will be able to know that whether you're able to finish the 300 questions in the stipulated time frame. And third, which is the most important as per me, is this will be a great tool to know which are your weaker subjects. After this exam is over, I would like you to analyze this by going through the bottom 5 subjects in which you did not perform well. So then you know these are the 5 subjects which require your immediate attention, and those are the ones that you will be revising in the upcoming weeks. So this is going to be a kind of a guide which will guide you in your preparation, especially when you're lost. Wishing you all the very best and hoping that all of you will be appearing for this exam between December 3rd and 7th on the PrepLadder app. All the best and God bless you.